Hello, my name is Rocky Grandstrand, and this is my presentation for attracting the eyes of viewers. Um, Color is an important visual communication element. Color affects viewers and can be used strategically to help and guide and shape the viewer's perceptions. According to Robin Landa, a color's meaning is tied to specific experiential contexts, cultures, and countries. Some designers create unique color palettes and understand the potential of color to communicate on a symbolic, brand, personality, or visceral level. Although we design for print and screen, a good place to learn about color is with the Pigment Color Wheel as a point of departure from her book Graphic Design Solutions. There are three methods: analysis, objective, and subjective, and comparative. Objective refers to the study regarding how colors attract the eye, such as red is often used as a warning. Red is used because its wavelength and the physiology of the eye make it easily recognizable. It's noticed farther away than other colors, and it stays in the eye longer. Subjective refers to the connection viewers have between colors and past experiences, memories, and feelings. People associate colors with those experiences, feelings, and other psychological responses as well. Someone who sees red could see it as a warning when someone else sees it as a positive experience, such as romance. Comparative refers to instinct and comparing colors to things we know. People see colors and compare and associate them with certain things. Some people might think of blood when they see red. Some people might think of grass when they see green. This is beneficial for businesses that wish to associate their business with viewer perception responses. An early childhood education organization might choose yellow to help potential clients and their children associate with sunshine, lemons, bananas, other fun things. I chose purple, yellow, and blue for the for the background colors because these colors remind me of my younger school years. The boards in classrooms, the papers that were sent home, book bags, all of those are typically bright colors such as these. Yellow represents things such as sunshine, which during a field day will be outside. Blue, same thing, the sky. Purple can be compared with extravagance, creativity, peace. I'm hoping to by using these colors and clip art to appeal to the parent's inner child and remind them what it's like to have fun things such as a field day offered to you during school. Diagonal lines are pleasant and stimulating to the eye. They are often used to help direct the eye of the viewer across visual media, perfect for advertising a spectacular and exciting event. So diagonal lines such as this one and this one that bring you right to the middle of the page here are right where these fun clip arts are. Thank you.